Let's talk about 3 reasons why divorce is actually much harder on men than women. Hi, my name is Aslam Mullah and I am a registered attorney. Breakups are hard for both men and women. There's no doubt about it. But most women actually are better able to cope with their feelings and move on after grieving than men are. This is likely due to in least because women have a better support group and are able to receive much more comfort and encouragement from their support group than men. Let's look at the 3 other reasons why men are not able to cope with divorce compared to women. But typically men do not properly go through the grieving process. Getting a divorce is very stressful and very hurtful, and most men are just not in touch with their emotions as compared to women. The second reason why men find it hard to cope with a divorce is that since men don't take the time to grieve properly, they don't want to be alone after a divorce, and therefore they end up typically rushing into another relationship. This actually works against them because when they meet someone new, they haven't properly gotten over the feelings of their ex and whatever happened in the previous relationship, and as a result, they bring all of that old baggage with them. What we often find is women actually take the time to grieve, and they would not necessarily rush into a new relationship. They would actively seek therapy, seek counselors, they would talk to people before they rush on into a new relationship. Third reason why men find it more difficult to move on after a divorce is that more often after divorce, it's actually the woman that ends up with primary child custody. In other words, even though the courts have 50-50 view on custody, physical custody generally resides with the mother, especially if there's younger children involved. And the men will often only see the children on specific custody schedule and custody arrangements. This is as compared to an everyday basis while the men were still married. In essence, men feel like they're not part of the children's life anymore. They cannot attend cricket matches, after-school curricular activities, etc., etc. Sometimes men even appreciate not being able to be there for dinner and be able to assist the children on their daily tasks and choices. Women, on the other hand, still play a significant role in the children's life, especially if primary custody is awarded to them. In summary, what did we learn from this video? Typically, we find men are much worse off after a divorce than women. However, even though there are some factors that work against men, there are some basic steps that a man can take after divorce. He can actively grow his support network, he can play a more supportive role in the children's life, and he can put his needs first. If you need help in your situation, whether you're planning a divorce or you are going through a divorce, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best, and I'll speak to you soon.